What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make jiggly slime. I'll take it.
Stop!
Sorry for the background. I'm sorry for the background noise because those are my brother and his friend, person. I don't know. Yes. Okay, I don't know if you can see. And yeah, okay. I'll be showing you guys how to make some jiggly slime. Okay. Okay, but all you're going to be needed for this video, well, for this DIY, is a spoon and a container, and you're gonna need soap and salt. Okay, so here's the soap. I'll be back. Okay, this is the soap. Okay, this is the salt. Okay, so first you're gonna start off by
You want some cereal?
pouring
Do you?
in
So, come on now, I need to know right now. Why can't we turn? I need to tell you a secret like you did.
Are you making slime? I don't know why you do this.
Okay, then you put
Right.
Are you making slime? What are you making?
nothing.
Okay. Come on.
Oh, so you are making slime.
No, I'm not.
What are you making?
I don't know.
So come in my room, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry about that. I just didn't want him to get in my way and stuff. Okay, but after you add in your salt, then you add in, not add in, you have to mix it, okay? Mix it, and then by the time you mix, that's how it looks like when it's mixed. And if you pick it up on your spoon and it's like going off, of your spoon, then you can add a little bit more salt. But now what you're going to be needing to do is keep your spoon in the container, and then you put it in your refrigerator for like 45 minutes, okay? I'll be back.
Setting up the game, okay?
Okay, so this is what it is after 45 minutes in the fridge, okay?
What are you looking for?
And if you want, you can add a little bit of food dye. If you don't, it will just look like this.
What are you looking for?
But I'm gonna add some red food dye,
That's what I'm looking
just 2
for. Are you
drops,
looking for balls? It's in here.
okay? And then I'll mix
No.
in. And the food dye will make it a little watery, so then you put it back in the fridge for like 15 minutes, okay? And then your slime will be done. This is what it looks like now, okay? I'm about to put it in the fridge. Yeah, it's a little water. I'm about to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Okay, guys, so I just took it out of the freezer and, fridge. And this is the final product of my red jiggly slime. I'm going to call this cherry cola. Okay.
I thought you just said cherry cola.
Nah. Okay, and you can, it's not the type of slime that you can pick up and poke, but it's jiggly. And if it sticks to your hands like this, put it back in the fridge for like 10-15 more minutes. The longer it's in the fridge, the more better your jiggly slime will get. And yeah.
You done making a slime?
Nope. Okay, so I just took it out the refrigerator. I just left it in there for 15 minutes. Okay. And so altogether, I think it was like I had to keep it in the freezer for about an hour or so. But this is your final results. This should be your final result. If you put food coloring in it, because if you didn't, then you will just have to put it in the freezer like not freezer, refrigerator once or twice. And the shortcut to this is, if you want, you can put it in the freezer, but it only has to be for like 10 minutes. Well, not even 10 minutes, maybe like 8 minutes, because it will make it go faster. But yeah, this is a DIY on Jiggly's red slime, my cherry cola. Bye, YouTube.